Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we'll be doing a bike check of my brother's Trek Skye 5. Let's get into it. Starting off with the tires, this bike has the Bontrager XR2s in 27.5 by 2.2 inches wide. A very good tire. It's a semi-slick. It's quick rolling, so a very solid tire. Moving on to the drivetrain, it's a Shimano Tourney 3x7 speed drivetrain. It's got paddle shifters up front, which I'm really liking on this bike. And as with my Trek Marlin 7, the chains run really loose to compensate for that 3x up front. So he's running a chain, an inner tube wrapped around here to protect his chainstay from chain slap. So just silence out that chain slap. It's a very good choice by Zachary. Now, moving up to the front fork. This is a Suntour XCT with 75 mil of suspension travel. That would be 3 inches for all of you English lovers, which I am. Yeah, it does not, this particular bike, just like my Trek Marlin 7, does not have internal cable routing, so it's just run down the down tube here, as you can tell, then around out back. Very solid bike. Moving up to the wheels, this has AT650B wheels on it, same as my Trek Marlin 7, but these are 650B, which means they're 27.5 sized. Alright, moving on to the frame. This is Alpha Silver Aluminum by Trek. This is a very solid frame. Same frame that's on Isabel's Trek Roscoe Mini Fatty and my Trek Marlin 7. So it's a very solid frame indeed. Very strong. This bike comes in at about 25 pounds, fully loaded, so it's pretty heavy, but it's a really strong frame. Alright, working our way up to the handlebars. These are Working our way up to the handlebars, these are 660 millimeters wide. They have been trimmed down to 600 millimeters to suit his body style. Now, it's got this blender stem, 25 millimeters. He's got 3 spacers up there just to keep those handlebars up to inspire confidence. And these brakes are provided by Tektro. We've got the same Shimano rotors on my Trek Marlin 7 and Isabel's Trek Roscoe Mini Fatty. Also cable action bands, so very solid brakes indeed. Also, as you can tell, he does not have room for any kind of water bottle cage inside his frame, so he's running one on the back of his seat post. So basically the water bottle just slips in here and it's secured by pushing up against the seat. This is a very clever way designed by Zachary and has been working very well for him in the past and continues to work well for him up into the future. So there you have it. That is Zachary's Trek Skye 5 bike check. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.